Good morning. Again at one of my favorite places, the Fiery Furnace. Hoping we were going to get some good rain today. It's crazy coming in from River Road. Massive rock slide that came down. It was a quite a beautiful sight. I'm glad I didn't hit that coming home last night. So today should be pretty fun. I'm going to try and hang out and wait for the rain. So we're sort of going to be dragging our feet on this one. But let's go have some fun. Doesn't look like it's washed out too much. But as I've said, it is not long for this world. You can see where it's washed away. When I first started coming in here about 6 years ago, there was a base of sand, probably about 6 feet up from where it is now, that sloped down. Actually doesn't look like too much washed away right there, so it's not too bad. Oh, that one's new. That's actually a good arrow. That's how most of them should be, I believe. You know, it doesn't look like a whole lot of water came in here. Really wish I could have made it in during the snow. Now we're starting to get into some water. Right, I was really hoping we'd get some waterfalls. I don't really have the time to hang out till 1. Once I can get up and actually check the weather, that'll determine how long I spend in here. The crack here is pretty amazing. Oh. Yeah, I bet it was absolutely incredible here last night. Haven't really noticed any out of place rock fall. I think it's about time I did a review on the GoPro gimbal. Slippery on the rocks today. That could be a very, very bad day. Being rescued in arches would be pretty embarrassing. Ooh. Yeah. Man, I gotta tell you, I thought the GoPro gimbal was great when we first got it. It's pretty wonky these days though. So at the big overlook here, I can usually get some cell phone signal. I pulled permits for every day for a week. I want to definitely try and get some. The most amazing thing I've just about ever seen in my 6 years in the Moab desert has been rain in the fiery furnace. It is a magical, magical sight. That's why I'm here today, chasing the rain. We came with Paul Mags a few weeks ago, and I got here way too early, and the washes were just starting to fill. He kind of had his fill of it. So we wound up leaving. I'm sure they got a really good rain that day, but it is what it is. It is definitely sandy on the rocks today, though. Slippery, slippery, slippery. Little scrub oak. Don't know how well the GoPro captures this, but this is a really cool spot. So this is definitely interesting. A huge amount of sand got deposited with the last storm. There's another step underneath that. I haven't seen it at that level in quite a while. Oh. Of course, swinging arch. There's just a little bit still trickling down. It's the most sand I've actually seen deposited in here in quite a while. Water looks super, super clean too.